program should be worried?
We're going to talk about it in a little bit.
An uninvited visitor to Capitol Hill. Lev Parnas, a former fixer for Trump's lawyer in Ukraine, tried but failed to gain entry to the impeachment trial. He said he had proof Donald Trump put pressure on Kiev for personal gain.
Truth is, the president knew everything that was going on.
How do you know that?
Because I was directly working for him.
But it's this man who could really hold the key to Trump's fate. Former National Security Advisor John Bolton had direct access to the president and his Ukraine policy. So one of the first questions at Wednesday's hearing, could a proper trial be held without Bolton as a witness?
The short answer to that question is no. There's no way to have a fair trial without witnesses. And when you have a witness who is as plainly relevant as John Bolton, who goes to the heart of the most serious and egregious of the president's misconduct, who has volunteered to come and testify to turn him away, to look the other way, I think is deeply at odds with being an impartial juror.
But Trump's legal team say the Democrats should have taken the opportunity to hear from Bolton during the preliminary hearings.
They didn't even subpoena John Bolton below. They didn't even try to get his testimony. And to insist now that this body will become the investigative body, that this body will have to do all the discovery, and that this institution will be effectively paralyzed for months on end because it has to sit as a court of impeachment.
Well, this may be the trial of Donald Trump, but in terms of the headlines it's generating at the moment, John Bolton is receiving at least equal billing. And the battle over whether the former National Security Advisor should come here to give evidence is now overshadowing every other aspect of the proceedings. John Brain, TRT World, Washington.